51. Read the statements 1 and 2. Choose the correct option. So the statement 1, RNAi take place in all prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms as a method of cellular defense. Statement 2, RNA interphase is a pre-translational process. Here the RNA interphase, that is RNAi, is a type of pre-transactional process of cellular defense in all eukaryotes. It does not occur in prokaryotes. For 51, option A is the correct answer. 52. The human protein known as alpha-1 antitrypsin is used for treating emphysema. It is derived from transgenic animals. So, option B, transgenic animal, is the correct answer. 53. Samophytes are growing in. Samophytes are known as the type of plants that thrive in deserts or sands. So, option B, deserts, is the correct answer. 54. A plant shows the following modification: leaves covered with dense hairs, leaf surface skinny or glabrous, leaf blade remains rolled during day. The adaptation of plant is to. Here, the presence of leaf with dense hair, skinny or glabrous leaf surface and rolled leaf blades during the day prevents the plant from excessive heat. So the answer is option B, prevent excessive heat. 55. MacArthur's vision of 5 closely related species of warblers living on same tree were able to avoid competition and coexist by behavioral difference. This is an example of. We all know that when two species occupy the same habitat by avoiding competition, the process is resource participation. The 5 species of warbler that lived on the same tree without any competition are example of resource partitioning. So option B, resource partitioning, is the correct answer. 56. Climax community is a state of. Climax community refers to a type of community which, by developing vegetation in a particular area, has reached near a equilibrium state. So option B, near equilibrium, is the correct answer. 57. The process of decomposition delays when. The rate of decomposition gets delayed when the detritus contain high amount of lignin and chitin. It is because the time consuming and very difficult to degrade lignin and chitin. Here the option D, detritus, is rich in lignin and chitin, is the correct option. 58. The variety of indigenous cows is an example for. The variety of indigenous cows refers to genetic diversity as it represents the diversity present within the species. So, option A, genetic diversity, is the correct answer. 59. So far, 1.5 million species are identified, in which the number of fungi species identified is more than the combined total of. Here, this is because the different variety of indigenous cows are example of species diversity, as the cows are of different species. So, option B, fishes, amphibians, reptiles and mammals is the correct option. 60th, the safe mode of disposal of e-waste is. The safest method of disposing electronic waste, that is e-waste, is incineration. It involves the use of high temperature which converts the waste into ash and heat. So option A, incineration, is the correct answer. Thank you for watching my video, and if you want to see any other parts, I have put the link in the description box so that you can go and click on the link and any part can be accessed. And please keep supporting, hit the like button and do subscribe the channel. Please share with your friends and support us. Thank you.